Okay, so this is my first project, real project. I've got one over here on the bench that I'm kind of working on. The file, I don't think they really took a whole lot of time creating this. I've got to go in and maybe pass it through a different slicer, because there's definite striations that I'm not sure what's causing that. Again, like I've said before, I don't believe it's mechanical, but I could be wrong. Usually with mechanical, the imperfection will travel because the way the slicing moves the print head, it doesn't always follow the same path every time each layer, so the anomaly would shift a tiny bit, and this is very consistent. So I don't know if this is in the, I doubt this is in the file, so it may be just the way the slicer treats the file. It could also be an 8-bit processor getting a little overwhelmed by the task at hand. Don't know. Going to be fun getting in there and investigating. And this is kind of a fun little project. This is just an Arduino Nano with a 1.8-inch display and these ultrasonic emitter receiver modules that you can get dirt cheap. And what it does is it creates kind of like a sonar or radar type sweep. I want to try to speed that up, but if you watch here, put my hand in front, and I don't know if you can see that, the red, there we go, a little bit better. And it's kind of, this is going to be a electronic package looking for a project. This was just something that I got off of Instructable and what they had done, but I don't like it. It's big and clunky, and that box is just huge for what I need. And I don't know if I want to use a servo or if I want to try something else, but I've got a bunch of other kind of like handheld sci-fi gadgets that I can put this into. So anyways, getting back to this, sorry, I digress. I'm talking about my printer now. The file here is nice, except up here on the hood, but then again, Cura cautioned me about a problem with the file here, so I'm going to send this, I'm going to pass this through Raise 3 Idea Maker. I think I've got the settings set to where now G28 is not going to send the print head off into La La Land, but we'll figure that out. I'll post to show what I've done in the settings to get it to work. But anyways, yeah, that's not striation. That's actually in the file. Or I mean, that's actually in the vehicle. So I'm kind of anxious to get this off. My plan for this is to put in some motors and make an RC. It's kind of a cool little 8-wheel buggy. They used them both, I guess, in Stargate, and I know they used them in Space 1999, which is something I'm kind of into. If you look at my videos, you'll see this is one of the early prototypes, so this is not a fair thing to show, but I did a couple of functioning comm locks with my friend R. Warren, and they turned out great. I'm getting some parts together for the round 2's offering, and really exciting there. Yeah, going to be really anxious to see what I can do modding those. But getting back to this, I also want, for dressing, going to fix this silly thing. I've got a better way to dress that, and I'll be trying that out. I'm going to tuck it up in there and see if that works. So anyhow, just a little heads up as to where I'm at with my Ender 5 Plus. Like it so far. enough for now. I'll post when I come across something that is worth posting. Have a great weekend. Bye.